I'll get you on as quick as I can with them, okay? Just stand by for me, please. All right, here we go, guys.
Trust in the customer-business relationship. Here are Robert and Ashley Bodie.
Hey, welcome to the Business Beware Radio Show. I'm Robert.
And this is Ashley.
It's where you're always going to hear intelligent and informative take on businesses and consumers, customers, and now more than ever in today's world, you need that.
Radioshow.com. So, either way.
I'm glad you're talking to me now.
Oh, yeah. I thought about not.
Well, yeah, I don't know why you got so upset with me the other day, because I guess you thought I was giving your secrets away.
Yeah, you are.
I don't understand it.
Basically.
I was talking to a young gentleman. I was actually bragging on you, and all of a sudden you really just jumped down my throat.
I know.
Why'd you?
You deserved it.
Oh, I mean, all I was telling was I was bragging on you about how well you've done with the website and all the different things, and you know, it's just I wanted to share some of the things that we do with the website, and you thought that was giving out too much information, I guess.
Yeah, it was. You can't give away all your secrets. Why would you give away all your secrets? I had to jump down your throat. I know. We had a few things to cover. We had a few questions come in about different things that have happened over the past few weeks. One of them was a guest we had on a few weeks ago about entrepreneurship. What was his name and the name of the book that he wrote? His name was Mike Michalowicz, and the book that he wrote is The Toilet Paper Entrepreneur. So if you want to get that, you can either visit his website at toiletpaperentrepreneur.com or go to Amazon and pick it up. So great book. So once again, that was Toilet Paper Entrepreneur. And also it says, last week you mentioned InStride Therapy. What is the best way to contact him to become a volunteer? Best way to get a hold of him is either email cindy@instridetherapy.org, or you can give him a call at 941-412-9333. Once again, that was 412-9333. Okay? And also, if you have any organizations, if you have some great stuff you want us to know about and us to put on the website and talk about, if you have an event going on, please send us an email at info@businessbeware.biz. So if you got a social media thing, we were just talking about how you gave all my secrets away.
Yeah, I tried to.
Yeah, you tried to. Well, I had to put you in your place. But speaking of, we are strokes of geniuses. Did you know that?
Well, you were telling me something about that, but I didn't really catch all of it.
You didn't catch all of it?
No.
Well, you should catch it because it's in Entrepreneur Magazine.
Is that where it was?
Yeah,
you told me
that's where it was.
You told me it's a national magazine.
Yeah, I about fell over. I was reading through the magazine because I'm subscribed to it, and I'm looking through it, and all of a sudden, there we are in the Strokes of Genius column, Business Beware. There
And that's what they called it. The column was Strokes of Genius.
Yeah.
That must be you, and it's not me.
Hey, when y'all shows I heard about, firing your customer. Well, I just want to listen. I fired my first customer the other day.
That's great. Dan, what you did was you had to, like we talked about last week, you had to make a decision as a business person. Is this the thing that I need to do? And you had to make. It's a hard decision at times. There's been some people we've had on the show that said that they fired customers before that were almost 30 and 40% of their business.